Hi, now we are going to look into the introduction and on 5 articles relating to this topic. And the first article.
The title of article number 2 is E-Banking Security Using Cryptography, Steganography and Data Mining. In their 2017 study, published in the International Journal of Computer Application, Namrata Devadiga, Hardik Jain, Harshad Kotari and Smita Saki proposed an advanced system aimed at fortifying e-banking security. Leveraging cryptography, steganography, and data mining techniques, their system successfully combats the rising instances of e-banking fraud. By employing cryptography and steganography at the client end and data mining on the server side, this system ensures a secure online banking experience. Rigorous testing validated its efficiency in handling various scenarios, affirming its ability to safeguard against online fraud and assuring a protected environment for digital banking transactions. The title of article number 3 is An Extended Visual Cryptography with Dynamically Authenticated Error Avoidance. The 2016 in the International Journal of Research in Computer Application and Robotics by V. Suruti Kartana and Dr. S. Umar introduced an innovative extension of visual cryptography tailored for banking applications. This method enhanced user authentication by integrating an RGB-based system with a two-share-based scheme, efficiently securing the banking system. By dividing a secret image into 4-channel image and employing color error diffusion techniques, this approach ensures robust security. Additionally, its ability to reconstruct the secret image from a subset of shares alongside a dynamic finger authentication scheme reinforces authentication even in scenarios when some shares are missing, surpassing the security capabilities of existing systems. The paper suggests future research direction toward augmenting security through multi-biometric authentication and threshold-based user authentication. The title for article number 4 is Anti-Phishing Framework for Banking Based on Visual Cryptography. In 2014, the International Journal of Computer Science and Mobile Application features a paper by Mr. K. A. Aravi and Mr. Muthu Venkata Krishnan. This innovative solution addressed the pervasive issue of phishing attacks by leveraging visual cryptography to safeguard picture captures. The framework splits these captures into dual parts, stored on separate servers, necessitating both components to reveal the original image. This approach not only aids in detecting phishing websites, but also bolsters user data privacy. In case of false websites, the absence of one part prevents the display of the picture capture, thereby impeding attackers. The paper highlights the substantial potential of this method to notably dismiss phishing assault across diverse platforms, including economic websites, bank, and online shopping marketplace. The title for article number 5 is Resisting Cyber Attacks in Digital Banking Using Visual Cryptography. The 2017 article in the International Journal of Computer Science and Engineering by P.V. Prasanthi and Sridevi Bontu delves into fortifying cybersecurity in digital banking through an emphasis on user authentication, acknowledging the vulnerability of traditional text-based password to cyber attacks. The paper advocates for image-based authentication as a more secure alternative. It proposed a novel authentication system integrating visual cryptography with text-based password designed to enhance security across various sectors, including industries, online banking, and shopping platforms. This system not only provides heightened security, but also offers a user-friendly authentication process, outperforming conventional text-based passwords. Developed using standard software development strategies, it effectively safeguards large datasets and incorporates anti-phishing features to shield user from malicious websites.
3.0 The applications of the cryptography in the Malaysia financial system. First, cryptography in Malaysia. Cryptography is crucial in the fast-moving Malaysian financial sector, supporting security, openness, and innovation. Cryptographic technologies are becoming increasingly important in the digital era, influencing how financial transactions are conducted, data is protected, and trust is established. Cryptography is utilized in Malaysia for safeguarding sensitive financial information, such as customer account details and transaction information. This protection is achieved through encryption algorithm that scramble data, ensuring that only authorized parties can access and read the data. Despite having some disadvantages, cryptography remains as an important technology in the Malaysian financial system. The next is the use of cryptocurrencies. Along with a robust regulatory framework, cryptocurrencies has contributed in making Malaysia as an attractive market for new financial solutions. There are some related issues regarding to the cryptocurrencies. In 2014, Bank Negara Malaysia declared that Bitcoin is not recognized as legal tender and is not subject to regulatory control, consistent with the Central Bank of Malaysia Act 2009. Second, cryptocurrency acceptance in Klang Valley. Businesses in the Klang Valley started accepting Bitcoin, Doge, and Litecoin for goods and services in 2017. Additionally, there is also low cryptocurrency adoption among Malaysians. Despite businesses accepting cryptocurrencies, the general acceptance among Malaysians is low and in its infancy due to perceived risks. The risks include unauthorized access, loss or theft, fraudulent activities, errors in transaction, compromised security in wallets or exchanges, and insufficient disclosure of information. Next, official cryptocurrency regulation. In 2018, Bank Negara Malaysia (BNM) issued official cryptocurrency regulation in Malaysia under the policy paper Anti-Money Laundering and Counter-Financing of Terrorism Policy for Digital Currencies, which is in Sector 6. Now, move to the challenges associated with cryptocurrencies. The challenges include the risk of anonymity, potential for criminal use, and the product's volatility and liquidity, making it susceptible to market manipulation and fraud. Moreover, rising crypto scams amid growing popularity. Despite the increasing popularity of cryptocurrencies, there is a concurrent rise in the number and value of crypto scams, emphasizing the needs for a stronger risk governance culture. Therefore, before introducing new products and technologies, there is a need for robust risk governance to identify and assess money laundering and terrorist financing risks associated with cryptocurrencies.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I will present the advantages of cryptocurrency in financial markets and institutions. There are 5 advantages that I can gain in this topic, including enhanced security, improved efficiency, increased trust, better compliance, and emerging threats. The first advantage is enhanced security. Cryptography algorithms such as Advanced Encryption Standard (AES), Rival Shaman Agreement (RSA), and Secure Hash Algorithm 256-bit are commonly used to encrypt data and prevent an unauthorized access. This aims to protect all sensitive financial information such as credit card numbers, bank account information, and transaction logs, as well as other personal data that cannot be disclosed publicly. The second advantage is improved efficiency. Financial organizations can verify transactions quickly and securely using digital signature and public key infrastructure. This saves time and money compared to traditional authentication techniques such as physical signature and paper-based document. To strengthen the information, cryptographic digital signature are expected to be a solution to the problem of forgery of COVID-19 vaccination certificates through the MySejahtera application, thus being able to authenticate a digital document. Now I will continue with the third advantage, which is increased trust. Financial organizations can keep trust with their customer and stakeholders by using secure encryption solutions to protect data. This is especially important in today's era, especially when the rate of cybercrime is increasing, leading to consumers' concerns about the security of their financial information. The fourth one is better compliance. Many regulatory agencies require financial companies to have strong security measures to protect consumer data. Financial institutions can achieve these standards while avoiding fine from non-compliance by using encryption. It can offer safe and impenetrable transaction record. Additionally, fraud and unauthorized access to sensitive data may be avoided with the use of cryptography, which is crucial for adhering to data protection laws. The last advantage is emerging threats. While encryption has provided some benefits to the financial industry, it has also introduced new risks. Cybercriminal attacks are becoming increasingly complex, and they continue to find ways to bypass cryptographic security measures. To combat this danger, financial institutions must remain vigilant and invest in advanced security solutions by providing strong encryption and authentication mechanisms that make it difficult for attackers to access sensitive data.
Next, I will continue with disadvantage of cryptography, which are costly, high availability, the issue of key management, potential for misuse in cryptography, and restricted acceptance.
First, cryptography can be costly as it requires a lot of resources and improvement to the system that support it. Public key cryptography is especially expensive as it requires a significant amount of money to build and maintain the infrastructure. Secondly, difficult to maintain high availability. Even though cryptography is crucial to information security, it cannot guarantee high availability by itself. Additional measures are needed to protect against threats like denial of service attack or system failure. High availability is vital for many organizations as it ensures information is accessible and valuable. Therefore, cryptography services must be highly available. Thirdly, the issue of key management. Secret keys are essential for cryptography system, but keeping them secure is a challenging task. Losing or having them stolen can compromise the entire system. Managing this key, especially in large deployment, can be time-consuming and difficult. Next, we continue with the fourth disadvantage of cryptography, which is potential for misuse. Although designed to secure system, cryptography can be misused to create vulnerabilities. This can lead to unfair trading and market manipulation through strategies like front-running and penny jumping, which distort market price and exploit knowledge gap. These disadvantages are based on Article 1. Lastly, restricted acceptance. Cryptography is still young and lagging behind traditional finance in terms of global adoption. Many countries haven't fully embraced it yet, leading to limited real-world application. This lack of experience and widespread understanding make it a less accessible and inflexible system. For instance, Malaysia lacks clear guidance on how to use and engage with cryptography.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Fatihah binti Jaafar, matric number 287971. Today, I will present on the importance of the cryptography to the economic development. Firstly, the development of cryptography is one of the most important aspects in assuring the security of financial transactions in financial markets and institutions. Cryptography can be used to protect the privacy of sensitive information. In order to develop the economic activity, advanced encryption techniques are needed since it helps to reduce the risk of fraud and unauthorized access. By implementing encryption techniques, financial institutions can ensure the safety and security of their consumers' personal information during the digital transaction. Secondly, the development of cryptography is important in preventing fraud and reducing risk management in financial markets and institutions. By implementing robust authentication and authorization mechanisms, advanced cryptographic techniques can reduce the number of fraud cases and improve overall risk management in financial markets and institutions. This development of cryptography in financial markets and institutions also can help businesses and individuals to prevent financial losses from fraudulent activity and cybercrime by implementing effective fraud prevention and risk management techniques. This financial resources preservation will result in an increase in investment regarding productive activity, and thus it will contribute to the country's economic development as a whole. Lastly, the development of cryptography is also important for international trade and communication in a country. Cryptography promotes international trade and investment by offering a dependable means of conducting business communication and transaction across borders. International trade and communication also can be related to globalization, where globalization has led to improved communication and awareness of business opportunities in remote parts of the world. This globalization allows products and services that were only available in one country to be offered to the new markets abroad. Thus, countries with cordial ties to one another are able to steadily integrate their economies via more investment and exchange. As a conclusion, we found that development of cryptography plays an important role in financial markets and financial institutions, where cryptography is responsible in protecting sensitive information like account numbers and transaction records of financial markets players from being compromised by unauthorized fraud and hacking. That's all from me. Thank you.